The ant, the grasshopper, and the storm.
Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow filled with flowers and music, lived a hard-working little ant named Anya. Every morning, Anya marched out of her cozy hill, carrying seeds, nuts, and crumbs back to her storeroom. In the same meadow lived a grasshopper named Gus. Gus loved to play his violin, leap through the air, and dance on dewdrops. Every time he saw Anya working, he'd laugh and sing.
Why dig and drag and carry so slow, when you can sing and hop and go with the flow?
Anya just smiled and kept working. Winter will come, she'd say. I need to be ready. But Gus only laughed louder and did a cartwheel. Days passed, then weeks. The sky turned gray. Cold winds began to blow. One night, a fierce storm came roaring through the meadow. Rain poured, the wind howled, and the flowers bent to the ground. When morning came, Gus's violin was gone. His leaf bed was soaked. He had no food and no warm place to hide.